Everybody, so today we're planting this blueberry pink lemonade variety. I have never seen this before and I saw it in the store today and I had to have it. Definitely had to get it into my garden. I am so excited. So anyways, today we're going to be showing you how I'm planting my blueberry bush. Maybe not specifically how you should plant yours, but how I'm doing it today. I'm going to slowly and carefully pull him out.
I'm born now.
This is my helper.
Yes,
My 2-year-old.
Yeah.
And then it says to soak it in some water. So I'm just going to soak it for the amount of time it takes me to dig the hole and then get it back into the ground. Gonna let it soak in the water for right now.
Oh, a flower.
Uh-oh.
Oh.
We love worms, huh?
Yeah, that's sassy one.
You can go put them back in the dirt?
Yeah, this is baby. I love a baby.
Well, I've dug this hole really wide compared to my blueberry, so that way it has plenty of really good soil to spread out and establish itself. And I know some people, when they mix their soil, they get a wheelbarrow or a bucket and they stir it all in there to mix it. Maybe I'm just a little lazy, but what I do is I just grab some, I mix them in, and I do a handful of this, a handful of native soil, and back and forth, and that way I think it's pretty equal. Now I'm just creating a berm around the plant. I've now created a berm around the plant to help keep all the water in when I do water it. Okay, so now it is time to mulch. I live in Arizona, so it gets very hot, so mulching is necessary. But wherever you live, you should be mulching anyway. Today I am just going to be using some dried leaves and just give that a nice thick layer all around the blueberry. And then next we are going to bring the hose over, put it on low, and let it really soak in for maybe 10 minutes. Okay, and now I have added a cage around it just to protect it from my dogs. And hopefully this blueberry will thrive. This area of my house, it's morning sun and then afternoon shade. So I have a raspberry over here. Every single year I cut it back and it grows huge, and it's all the way over here and over here. Don't mind the straws, I have little girls. And I get hundreds of fruit on these every year, so I'm hoping that this blueberry will also do just as good. So anyways, if you like this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe. Let me know if you would like to do a garden tour. My garden is now starting to come back to life. All of my trees are blooming. I have quite a few trees. Mommy. So anyways, thank you for watching, and I will see you next time. Bye.
Bye.